Hello! In this interactivity, we're going to separate particles with different masses. This time, particles with the same charge and velocity but different masses will be projected into a magnetic field that acts inside the box. Let's drag the flux density slider to the right to select a relative value of +1. As before, dots appear indicating that the magnetic field direction is out of the diagram. Let's drag the charge slider to a relative value of +1 and let's click play to project a stream of charged particles into the magnetic field at a relative velocity of 1. And now let's click pause to stop the particles and reset to remove them, leaving their blue circular track. Now let's give our particles a larger mass by dragging the mass slider to a value of 2. Let's click play to project these particles into the magnetic field. What happens? Yes, the stream of particles is not bent as much. We're going to repeat the investigation with masses of 3 and 4 units. So let's increase the mass to value of 3 and click play. And notice what happens to the stream of particles. Now we'll click pause, reset, and increase the mass to 4. Let's click play again. What is your conclusion? Yes, the more massive the particles, the less the stream is bent by a magnetic field. A stream of particles of different masses could be separated by this method. This principle is used to separate ions in a mass spectrometer. In reality, particles in the mass spectrometer with the same ratio of charge to mass will not be separated. Let's see if you can show this by setting the sliders to Q equal to 1 and M equal 1. So Q equal 1 and M equal 1. Before that, let's click clear to remove the tracks. We'll put the flux density 1, the charge 1, and the mass is 1. Let's click play. And then we click stop, reset. And now we will try Q equal 2 and the mass equal 2. And let's click play. How do the two tracks compare? Yes, they are the same, assuring the principle used in the mass spectrometer, where the ratio of charge to mass is equal, the particles are not separated. That's all. Thanks for watching.